Seny D45 H. H is hydraulically operated. Hydraulic power pack to the right of the machine. Control panel. We will now power the machine. Roll started. Hydraulic started. It's in hand operation. Hydraulic forward, spring return. We're now turning it to automatic and turning the timers on. It will now pulse backwards and forwards according to the time that you've set it for. The timers are down the side of the machine, right there, counting in and counting out. The left hand timer is the rolling time, the right hand timer is the rest time. The helix angles are to the left and to the right of the work rest blade supports. Fully guarded machine as per the manufacturer's manufacturing. This particular machine is installed with a centralized lubrication system. We've removed the cover so that you can see that. We'll now power the machine down. And that is it. Seny D45 H.